Most men over 40 do not look older because they lack style. They look older because small grooming mistakes quietly add weight to the face. Tired eyes, dry skin, rough shaving, weak hair, and bad scent choices all speak before you do. Fix them, and the change starts here today. Tip 1. Ignoring dark circles under your eyes. The fastest way to look older is to look tired all the time. Dark circles under the eyes can make a man look stressed, drained, and less present, even when he is well dressed. This is why the eye area matters so much after 40. The skin there is thin, it shows fatigue faster, it shows dryness faster, it also shows age faster. The mistake is thinking dark circles are just something you have to accept. Some men have them because of genetics. Some have them because of allergies, dehydration, or thinner skin. Some have them because they stay up late, wake up at different times every day, then wonder why their face looks worn out by noon. Start with sleep. Not dramatic sleep, consistent sleep. Go to bed around the same time every night. Wake up around the same time every morning. When you wake up, go outside and get sunlight for about 15 minutes. Do not scroll in bed for an hour first. Get daylight on your face and let your body understand that the day has started. That morning light helps reset your internal clock. It tells your body when to feel awake, and it can make it easier to feel sleepy later at night. This is not a luxury habit. It is basic maintenance for your face, your mood, and your energy. Then use eye care as support, not as a miracle. A caffeine eye serum can help the under eye area look less puffy and more awake. The ordinary caffeine serum is a simple option linked in the description, especially if your eyes look heavy in the morning. But remember this, a cream can improve the look of tired eyes. It cannot replace a life that lets your face recover. Use the eye serum gently. Tap it in with your ring finger. Do not rub the skin. Do not pull it. The goal is calm, clean, and rested. Also check the habits around your eyes. If you rub them all day, sleep with your face buried into the pillow, drink too little water, or stare at screens until midnight, you are making the area work harder than it needs to. Small pressure around the eyes can show quickly. Your eyes should not make you look defeated before the day even begins. Tip 2. Letting your skin stay dry and dull. Dry skin makes every line look deeper. A lot of men over 40 still treat their face like it is a kitchen counter. They scrub it hard. They wash it with harsh soap. They use whatever body wash is already in the shower. Then they step out, feel tightness, and think that means clean. It does not. If your face feels tight after washing, your skin is not impressed. It is asking for help. Tight skin often means you stripped away too much natural oil. Once that happens, the face can look rough, dull, and older than it really is. The fix is simple. Use a gentle cleanser and stop chasing that squeaky feeling. Clean skin should feel comfortable. It should not feel dry, stretched, or punished. This matters more after 40 because the skin often holds moisture less easily. You do not need a complicated routine with 10 steps. You need consistency. Wash your face gently. Moisturize after. Do it in the morning and at night if your skin needs it. The goal is not shiny skin. The goal is skin that looks alive. Dull skin can make the whole face look tired. It removes freshness. It makes gray hair look harsher. It makes under-eye shadows stand out more. It can even make a good outfit feel less polished, because the face is still the first thing people see. Avoid washing with very hot water. Warm water is enough. Avoid scrubbing your face with a rough towel. Pat it dry. If you shave, moisturize afterward. If your skin flakes around your nose, forehead, or beard area, that is not a small detail. People notice texture up close. And do not confuse oily skin with hydrated skin. A face can look greasy and still be dehydrated underneath. That is why harsh cleansing often backfires. The skin feels attacked, then tries to compensate, and the face ends up looking shiny in some places and dry in others. A man over 40 does not need perfect skin. He needs skin that looks cared for. Once your skin is clean without feeling stripped, the next mistake is leaving it unprotected. Tip 3. Skipping sunscreen. Because you think it is optional. Sunscreen is not glamorous, but it is one of the most important grooming habits a man can build. Many men over 40 treat sunscreen like beach equipment. They use it on vacation, during golf, or when the sun is painfully obvious. But normal daylight adds up. Walking outside adds up. Driving adds up. Sitting near windows can add up too. The skin remembers what you ignore. Sun exposure can make the face look older through dark spots, uneven tone, rough texture, and deeper looking lines. This is where men often get the order wrong. They buy better shirts. They get better shoes. They start using moisturizer, but they still leave their face unprotected every morning. That is like polishing a car and leaving it uncovered in harsh weather every day. You do not need to turn sunscreen into a complicated ritual. Apply it in the morning. Use enough to cover the face, neck, and ears. If you are outside for a long time, reapply. If the formula feels greasy, find a lighter one. The best sunscreen is the one you will actually wear. Roche-Posay. Anthelios sunscreen is a practical choice because it feels like real daily skincare, not a heavy beach lotion. It works especially well for men who hate thick, sticky products, but still need serious protection. Also, do not forget your neck. The neck is where age shows when the face has been cared for, and everything below it has been ignored. A smooth face with a sun-damaged neck creates a strange mismatch. Sunscreen is not about fear, it is about control. You cannot stop time, but you can stop helping time do extra damage. A clean morning routine with sunscreen makes your skin look more even, calmer, and better kept over the long run. Make it automatic. Put it where you already stand in the morning. Keep it beside your toothbrush, your razor, or your moisturizer. The less decision-making the habit needs, the more likely you are to repeat it. After 40, the goal is not to look untouched by life. The goal is to look like you still respect the face you present to the world. Tip 4. Keeping the same haircut from 10 years ago. A dated haircut can age you faster than gray hair. Gray hair is not the enemy. Gray hair can look sharp, masculine, and expensive when the cut is right. The real problem is wearing the same haircut you had when your hairline, hair density, and face shape were different. Many men do this without noticing. They keep the old length, they keep the old part. They keep the same amount of hair on the sides, but the face has changed. The hair has changed. The old haircut no longer has the same effect. Too much bulk on the sides can make the face look wider. A flat top can make thinning look more obvious. A messy neckline can make the whole head look neglected. And long hair that has lost thickness can start to look tired instead of stylish. The fix is shape. Ask your barber for cleaner sides, a controlled neckline, and a style that works with your current hair, not your memory of your old hair. If the hairline has moved back, stop fighting it with a style that exposes the problem. If the crown is thinner, avoid heavy products that separate the hair and show more scalp. A small amount of matte styling product can help give shape without looking stiff. Use less than you think. Warm it in your hands, then shape the hair gently. The goal is movement with control, not a helmet. The best haircut for a man over 40 usually looks intentional, clean, and easy. It should not look like a disguise. It should not look like panic. It should frame the face and make the jaw, eyes, and posture look stronger. Also watch the back of the neck. A clean neckline can make a haircut look fresh for longer. A fuzzy neckline can make it look overdue after a few days. This is one of those small details that separates a polished man from a man who only looks prepared from the front. A sharp haircut says you are current without trying too hard. Once the hair is controlled, the same standard has to move lower on the face. Tip 5. Letting facial hair look random. Facial hair can improve your face, but only when it is managed. A beard can make the jaw look stronger. Stubble can add character. A mustache can look refined when it suits the face. But random facial hair does the opposite. It makes a man look older, rougher, and less aware of himself. The problem is usually not the beard itself. The problem is the edges. A beard needs a neckline. It needs a cheek line. It needs regular trimming. If the beard grows down the neck, climbs too high on the cheeks, or sticks out in different directions, it stops looking stylish and starts looking accidental. Stubble is not an excuse to do nothing. Good stubble is maintained. It has a length. It has a boundary. It does not look like you forgot to shave for 4 days and hoped it became a style. The Philips Norelco Multigroom is useful here because it helps control beard length, neckline, sideburns, and stray hair with one tool. For men over 40, that matters because the small details become much louder. Nose hair, ear hair, and wild eyebrows can ruin an otherwise clean face. These are not glamorous topics, but they are real. A man can wear a tailored jacket and still look unpolished if one long eyebrow hair is stealing attention. Trim before it becomes obvious. Do not wait until someone else notices. Make it part of your weekly routine. If your beard is dry or wiry, soften it. A dry beard can make the skin underneath look rough and flaky. It can also make gray hair look more brittle. Keep it clean, shaped, and conditioned. Pay attention to contrast. A gray beard can look excellent when it is shaped, but when it is uneven, dry, and spreading into the neck, it can make the lower face look heavier. That is why beard grooming is really face grooming. It changes the shape people see. The rule is simple. Facial hair should look chosen. If you want a full beard, maintain it. If you want stubble, maintain it. If you want a clean shave, maintain that too. What ages a man is not the choice. It is the lack of control. Tip 6. Shaving. In a way that irritates your face. A close shave is not a victory if your face looks irritated afterward. Many men shave the same way for decades. Fast strokes, too much pressure, a dull blade, no real preparation. Then they deal with redness, bumps, tightness, and rough patches like it is normal. It may be common. It is not good grooming. After 40, irritation shows more clearly because the skin often has more visible texture. Redness around the neck, small bumps on the jaw, and dry patches around the mouth can make the whole face look older and less calm. Start before the razor touches your skin. Use warm water. Let the hair soften. Do not drag a blade across dry, tense skin. Use a shaving cream or lubricant that gives slip, so the blade moves smoothly instead of scraping. Jack Blackbeard Lube is linked in the description for men who want something easy and comfortable without turning shaving into a long ritual. It works well when you want a smoother glide and less friction. Shave with the grain first. This means shaving in the direction the hair grows. If you need a closer shave, you can go across the grain after that, but do not start by attacking the skin. Pressing harder does not make you more precise. It usually makes the irritation worse. Rinse with cool water when you finish. Pat the skin dry. Do not rub your face aggressively with a towel, then moisturize. This last step matters because shaving removes hair, but it also challenges the skin barrier. If your neck always burns after shaving, rethink your method. Maybe your blade is too dull. Maybe you are shaving too often. Maybe an electric shaver suits your skin better. Grooming is not about proving toughness to a razor. It is about getting the best result with the least damage. Also, replace blades before they drag. Many men wait until shaving feels uncomfortable, then blame their skin. Sometimes the skin is not the problem. The tool is. A sharp, clean blade used gently is usually better than forcing an old blade to behave. When the shave is calm, the next details people notice are closer than most men think. Tip 7. Ignoring teeth, lips, and breath. Your smile is part of your grooming. Men often separate style from dental care, but other people do not. They see the whole picture at once. The shirt, the face, the hair, the teeth, the lips, and the breath all arrive together. After 40, teeth can look more yellow, lips can get dry. Breath can become a quiet problem if the routine is weak. None of this means you need perfect white teeth or cosmetic work. It means the basics need to be handled. Brush carefully, floss daily, clean your tongue. See a dentist when needed. Use whitening products with care, not obsession. The goal is a clean, healthy-looking smile, not a fake one. Dry lips are another small detail that ages the face. Cracked lips make a man look tired, dehydrated, or careless. Keep a lip balm somewhere you will actually use it. Bathroom drawer, car, work bag, jacket pocket. The best grooming habit is the one placed where your real life happens. Breath matters more than men admit. Coffee, alcohol, smoking, dry mouth, and poor flossing can all leave an impression you do not want. Mints can help for a moment, but they do not replace the routine. Bad breath often starts where brushing does not reach, especially between teeth and on the tongue. There is also a confidence benefit here. When your teeth feel clean and your breath feels fresh, you speak differently. You smile more easily. You do not hold back in close conversation. That matters. Grooming is not only about how you look in the mirror. It is about how comfortably you move through the room. Keep this practical. You do not need a celebrity smile. You need a mouth that looks clean, feels clean, and does not distract people when you speak. That alone makes you look more polished and more socially aware. After the face, smile, and breath are handled, the final grooming detail is the one people sense before they name it. Tip 8. Wearing too much fragrance or none at all. Fragrance should add presence, not noise. A lot of men make one of two mistakes. They wear no scent at all, so their grooming feels unfinished. Or they wear too much, so the scent becomes stronger than their personality. Neither one is ideal. After 40, fragrance should feel controlled. It should suggest taste. It should not feel like you are trying to impress the entire room at once. A good scent works close to you. It does not need to announce itself from across the hallway. Use 1 or 2 sprays. Usually that is enough. Apply it to pulse points like the neck or wrist. Do not spray your whole shirt. Do not spray 5 times because you stop smelling it after a few minutes. Your nose adjusts. Other people still smell it. Bleu de Chanel is a strong choice for this stage because it is clean, mature, and versatile without feeling too loud. It can work for dinner, work, weekends, and dressed up casual situations. But the product is less important than the restraint. The right scent should match the man. If your style is classic, choose something clean and woody. If your style is relaxed, choose something fresh and easy. If you dress more formal, soft spice, vetiver, or deeper woods can work well. Avoid scents that feel too sweet, too sharp, or too young for the way you actually dress. A fragrance should support your image, not fight it. Also remember that fragrance cannot cover poor hygiene. It sits on top of grooming. It does not replace showering, clean clothes, deodorant, or fresh breath. When those basics are handled, scent becomes the final detail that makes people remember you in a better way. The rule is simple: a good fragrance should be discovered, not announced. After 40, scent is not about chasing compliments. It is about leaving a controlled impression. The man who smells clean, calm, and close is usually more elegant than the man trying to dominate the room. Let people notice you first, then the scent second. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more calm style advice, and watch the next video on your screen. All grooming items are linked in the description, so you can build the routine without overthinking it. Start with one habit today, then improve the rest step by step now.